National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 601, effective until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Alabama: Blood and Walker. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are
10:40
favorable
a.m.
for the development of
Jeez.
severe weather, including large
I'm
hail and
coming.
winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 601 has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Blood and Walker.
Wow. Just imagine issuing it at 10:40. I was literally about to go until I heard this alert go off. Wow.